Hey, what's up guys, Nick here. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. This is episode 18 of Best Knowledge Setup series, and this time we are going far from home. We are increasing the like target from 150 to 200, but I'm sure we will reach there soon. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell icon to get the latest content. Also, we are going to do a Q&A video next, so if you want to ask any question, then write it down in the comment section below with hashtag ASKTWN. Okay, now without any further delay, let's roll the intro. Okay, now first of all go to the ES file explorer. Go to the directory where you have downloaded your files. Now over here you will find JPG file, that's BNLS 18 wallpaper. Click on it. Now you need to set it as the wallpaper. Select Nova wallpaper and drag it a little bit up or down as per your device. Select home screen. Now your wallpaper is set. Move to home. Now over here you need to go to the Nova settings. Find backup and import settings. Here select restore or manage backups. At the end you will find document storage. Just below it you will find browse. Click on the browse. On top left corner you will find 3 bars. Find the ES file explorer there and select it. Now go to the directory where you have downloaded your files and select spiderman_ffh.nova backup. Select it, select file way and click OK to override current layout. Now when it is done, move to home. Now click on the second widget. Now click on the folder icon on top. Go to the directory where you have downloaded your files and select BNLS 18 widget 2.kwgt. When you will select it, go to the exported and find that in BNLS 18.widget2. Click on the save on top and move to home. Now just below it you will find the widget 3. Click on it. Do the same for this one too. Click on the folder icon. Go to the directory where you have downloaded your files and select BNLS 18 widget 3.kwgt. Now after doing that you will find that widget over here. Select it and click on the save. Move to home. Now you will find that it's working as app drawer. Now let's set the first widget. Click on it. Now go to the installed. Over here you need to select Magic for KWGT. Find Magic 015. Okay. Now go to the globals. Click on the plus on top and type color 1. Over here you need to give the color 1, which is a red one. That's DA1E1E. Click on true on top. Now do the same once again. Click on the plus on top. That's color 2. And over here you need to set the color to 1E1E1E. Okay. Now click on the true once again. Now go back to the items. And in this one, select the overlap group, this one. Go inside. Select the text. And go to the paint. Now in this color change it to the global first and select it and select color 2. Okay, once you have done that, go back to the items, select color, this one, select it, click on the paint, change it to the global and select color 1. So changes are made for first two. Now let's change for these two. Click on this tag group. Now click on this tag group once again, this one. Now over here you will find shape, click on it, go to the paint and change the color to color 2. Do the same for the overlap group, and in that the text, select it, go to the paint, change it to the global and select color 2. Okay, once you have done that, go back to this overlap group. Over here you will find it, select it, click on the text, go to the paint and change it to the global, but over here you need to select color 1. Okay, now once you have done that, go back to the text and change the size to 25. Now once you have done that, click on the save and move to home. Now you will find that your home screen is almost set. Now find Fluid NG and enable it. Now adjust your widgets as per your device and you will good to go. Okay guys, that is it from this video. If you can make a better version of this, then don't forget to share that with me and join us on Telegram to be a part of the community. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to his channel for more awesome content. And yes, don't forget to ask your question for Q&A video. With that being said, this is Nick signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, thanks for watching and stay creative.